you're looking around and you're like, this is the shitty side.
I did not want to tell you. I did not want to say.
I'm like, the nice stuff's over on the other side. I can't go over there.
I know there's an Applebee's. There's a
the shitty side has now got something these days because it's so cold. The American side has frozen.
No, are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
the whole
massive.
falls?
Yeah, I mean it's running underneath it, but there's a huge ice formation over the top.
Really?
So it's actually something to see. And it's usually
it's like a sneeze guard for Niagara Falls.
Yes.